So first we're going to create a basic GIF using elements and graphics that are already animated in Canva. So the first step is to go to canva.com and just follow through to log in to your account. Once you are logged in, on the left, click on the plus create button. And that will open up a window saying you want to create a design, and you have to put in what you want to create. So for creating the GIF, we want to open up a video editor and not an image editor. So we're going to type Facebook video. And we want to create a square GIF. So we're going to select the Facebook video 1080 by 1080 pixels option and just click on that. So this will open up a video editor in Canva, and we have a blank slate to start with. So let's say we want to add a custom background and we want to add a color. We can't just click and change the color like we can with an image editor. What we have to do is go to elements on the side, and let's say I want to create a solid color or gradient. We're going to click on shapes, and I'm just going to click on the square shape. So you can just click and drag to reposition it. Then click on the circle color icon, and this will open up the color tab. So from here, you can click on the plus icon again and select a custom color. You can even click on the gradient tab and choose your own gradient color as well. So I'm just going to go with this. You might also upload a photo and make that your background or whatever background you want. I'm going to stick with this. So for this, we want to create a really basic GIF using icons and graphics that are already animated. So we're going to click on Elements again. And then if you still have the Shapes tab open, just click the arrow to go back to all of the categories. So you can see there's a category called Animations. So we'll just click on that. And here there are many types of animations: arrow animations, word, food, shape. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to make a birthday or happy birthday GIF. So we have festive animations. I'm just going to click this little one here. So with Canva, you can click and drag to resize any element. And if you can change colors of an element, when you click on it, you'll see here we have 3 different color options. And that means I can change these different colors within the graphic. So I'm going to change the confetti to white. So go through and you can add whatever animations you want to the GIF. I'm going to go to the word animations category and just add this little happy birthday animation as well. I can see this confetti overlay. I like that, so I want to add that. And again, you can just resize it and reposition it as you like. Now, one thing that Canva has that is hidden is a layers palette. And this is really important to know because you can easily rearrange layers in Canva once you find this layers palette. To locate it, we're going to click on position, and on the side you can see we have arrange or layers. So if we click on layers, that will show us all of the different elements or layers that we can work with. So you can click and drag to reposition any of them. This is very important to know for any project you have in Canva. So I'm going to click on the confetti overlay and drag it down underneath the text and my other graphic. So the confetti will pop up underneath it. Another thing you can do in Canva is adjust the transparency. And what that means is it's like adding a fade almost. So if I lower this slider, it's not as clear. It's fading into the background a bit. And finally, I'm going to add another element. I'm just going to add this rotating cat. Okay, so that's really simple. And all I'm going to do now to download this is we want to click on Share and then click Download. And this is important. If we want to download a file as a GIF, it has to be .gif. That's the only way it will constantly loop and work as a GIF. So we have to make sure to save the file type or change it to GIF and then click Download. Okay, and once that's done, now we have our cute little happy birthday GIF that's on loop. So this is a very simple way to create a GIF in Canva.